Hello! If your aircrafts require different kind of positionings because they have different bases, it can be easily set up in Leon, and in this video we will show you how to do it. If you would like to activate this setup, you need to enter Admin Panel by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. There you will find Fleet section. Here please enter one of your aircrafts and go to the Sales tab. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find Positioning Flights Policy. And here you will find two options. Fixed base, which after adding positioning to the flights will check all previous and future flights and will add the positionings accordingly. If you select floating base, then you have two fields for adding the threshold. First one will be for positioning and the second one will be for repositioning. So if you add 24 hours here and you will add new quotation on this aircraft in the sales module, then Leon will check if in the 24 hours to the past and to the future there is some other flight. If there will be, then Leon will add positionings to this location. If there will be no positionings, then Leon will add ferry block fee with estimated flight time to calculate price of the positionings. If you define the fixed base or floating base in Leon in your aircraft profile, you will have less worry to correct the schedule, because Leon will apply the correct one. For this information and more, please visit our LinkedIn page or our YouTube.